Hey there, Money Masters. It's your girl Izzy, back with another episode of Money Matters Made Easy. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart: financial literacy, why it matters. So buckle up, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. Imagine you're in a kitchen, okay? You've got all these ingredients in front of you: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and a recipe for a cake. Now, if you don't know how to read the recipe or understand how these ingredients work together, you're going to end up with a mess, right? Financial literacy is just like that. It's understanding the recipe for financial success and knowing how to use the ingredients, income, expenses, savings, investments, to create a delicious financial future. Let's start with the flour. That's your income. It's the base of your cake, the foundation of your financial life. Without it, you can't really make a cake, can you? Understanding your income, where it comes from, how stable it is the first step towards financial literacy. Next, we have the sugar, your expenses. Too much sugar, and your cake is going to be sickly sweet and unhealthy. Too little, and it's going to be bland. The same goes for your expenses. You need to find the right balance, understanding where your money is going, and making sure you're not overspending or underspending. Then we have the eggs, your savings. Eggs bind the cake together, giving it structure and stability. Your savings do the same for your financial life. They provide a safety net, a cushion for unexpected expenses. Understanding how much to save and where to keep your savings is a crucial part of financial literacy. Finally, we have the butter, your investments. Butter makes the cake rich, adding flavor and depth. Investments do the same for your financial life. They help your money grow, adding richness and depth to your financial future. Understanding how to invest, where to invest, and when to invest is the final piece of the financial literacy puzzle. So why does financial literacy matter? Well, without it, you're just throwing ingredients into a bowl and hoping for the best. You might get lucky and end up with a decent cake, but more likely, you'll end up with a mess. With financial literacy, you understand the recipe. You know how to use the ingredients to create the financial future you want. And that's it, Money Masters. That's why financial literacy matters. It's the recipe for financial success. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more financial topics to break down into easy, digestible concepts, and I can't wait to share them with you. Until next time, remember, money matters, but understanding it makes it easy. This is Izzy signing off. Stay financially savvy, my friends.